Good day N6. Today we will be doing budgets on Excel, and the exercise we'll be looking at is exercise 7.9 Kiddies Africa Kites Manufacturers. So our first thing when we receive a question like this, I would say just get a sense of what the required is, so that you may be able to go back and as read the information, you make sense of it. So here we're required to do or to draw up the sales budget in value, the production budget in units, so how many units do we hope to produce, the raw material budget in value, the labor cost budget in value, as well as the manufacturing overheads budget in value. Now, you will notice that these terms are familiar from your cost N5. So therefore, this is nothing new. And also, I think in cost N6, you would have met these terms or terminology. This is nothing new. All right, let's have a read and see what we have and what we need to do. Kiddies Africa Kites manufactures and sells plastic kites. The following information is made available to you as their accountant. So you're given actual information for last year, and that is sales, closing stock, materials required to manufacture one kite, and so forth. Let's go through the information. They tell you that last year sales of 7,620 kites at 30 rands per 30 rands 0.75 per kite. So that's how much they sold it for. I hope that makes sense. Closing stock, we finished last year with 2,870 kites, and materials that we need to manufacture one kite is we need 1.25 meters of plastic, we need 0.45 meters of wood, we also need 0.08 liters of glue. The purchase price of raw materials is 2 rands 50 per meter, so each meter of plastic costs you that, and each meter of wood costs you that, as well as glue, it costs you that as well. Raw material stock on hand, we have plastic, we have wood, we have glue, and we have those amount of meters on hand. Now, we are given budget information, which is going to be very important